Welcome back to another Bushel Builds video. Today we're back working on Aurora. We're going to be trying to weld up some of this rust. I'm not a very good welder, so I'm going to do my best to do some body work. This is my first time doing any body work, so if I don't do a good job, that you'll know why. So let's get busheling. For all those who follow my channel, first, I'd like to say thank you for following along. Second, you might have noticed I haven't uploaded a video all summer. Don't worry, I have been filming videos and I'm slowly working on editing them. Look out for those as they come out. I started this project having only used a welder once or twice, so I'm not only learning how to do bodywork on a car, but I'm also refining my very limited welding skills. Doing it this way requires a lot more grinding. But you must start somewhere. I believe this is one of the many reasons we never start our projects or never finish them. Because we don't know where to start, or we are afraid we have insufficient skills. But one of the best ways to learn something is to jump in and learn through doing. This may require some more metaphorical grinding for whatever the skill you are learning is. But don't let it hold you back from achieving your goals. I wouldn't even have a car if I didn't try to get this car running. I have plans to share the full story behind this car, where it came from, how I got it, and what it means to me. If you want to see that video soon, give this video a like and leave any questions you have about this car in the comments. I didn't want to finish repainting this car and have to put it back on a rusty frame. I don't have the money to rebuild the frame or powder coat it, so we did a cheap rebuild. We used wire brushes to remove the surface rust and used a spray can rubberized undercoating. We ran out of spray before we could cover the whole frame, so you may see the rest of that in a future video.